Welcome to Number Success, a practical math program hosted by the award-winning author, educator, and successful businessman, Carl Summer. In this program, you will travel with Carl as he shows you how to solve problems in the world around you. From New York to LA, Chicago to Houston, Carl will take you on location and teach math you can use. Whether sightseeing, cruising, fishing, cooking, shopping, or more, you'll want to fasten your seatbelt. This journey through math will take you to hundreds of places on one exciting ride. Joining Carl to provide instructional support are four outstanding teachers who have each won the prestigious National Science Foundation Presidential Award for Excellence in Mathematics. Your instructors are Denise Gripaldi, Christine Lindeblad, Larry Williams, and Jimmy Rios. Here now is your host, author Carl Summer.
Welcome to Book 4, Division. Division is just a faster way of doing subtraction. We call division speed subtraction. By mastering multiplication and division, you will solve much faster many everyday problems. Let's look at the math tree. And I want to stress, knowledge of mathematics is essential for success. And we start in the root system. Addition, subtraction. Then you have multiplication, which you know, which is speed addition. And division is basically speed subtraction. Division is the repeated subtraction of the same number. Now I'm going to do the reverse of that with multiplication. 4 times 2, and that's multiplication is a repeated addition of the same number, equals 8. In other words, how many 4s will equal 8? So we'll have 4 plus 4 equals 8. So 2 4s equal 8. Now, division is the opposite of multiplication. It's subtraction. This is speed addition. And let's do that now and subtract. Minus 4 equals 4. Minus 4 equals 0. And so there's 2 4s that go into 8. So 4 divided into 8 equals 2. And you will find that knowing division and multiplication, in addition also, and subtraction, that's a foundation. Your higher mathematics, when you'll be studying later on, fractions, decimals, percent, and algebra, geometry, and trig, it's built on having a good, solid foundation. And when you study the other aspects of mathematics, you will discover repeatedly that addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division is constantly being used. These 4 basic mathematical principles are the foundation for all mathematics. You may ask, where will I ever use division? Division is used everywhere. Let me give you some practical examples. If you are putting up siding and you need to know how many pieces of a certain size you can get from a box of siding. If you are a pharmacist and you need to know how many prescriptions you may fill from a container of pills. If you want to know how long the flight will take if you know the mileage and the speed of the jet. If you know how many bricks an average bricklayer can lay in 1 hour, and you want to find out how long it will take 4 bricklayers to lay all these bricks. If you want to purchase this bluff of 32 acres off the coast of California, and you want to determine how much 1 acre will cost. If you know the length of this part, and you want to know how many pieces you can get from this power press from 1 coil of steel. If you know how many fish you can clean in 5 minutes, and you want to figure how long to clean all these fish. These are just a few of many applications for division. I'd like to share with you the 7 steps for problem solving. These are very important for you to become successful in solving mathematical problems. Step 1. Understand the problem. Read the problem carefully several times to make sure you know what the problem is about. Step 2. think about the solution. Determine how the problem should be solved. Step 3, plan the solution. Choose the proper procedure to solve the problem. Step 4, estimate the answer. Determine an approximate answer to the problem. Step 5, solve the problem. Work the problem while carefully checking that the proper numbers are used. Step 6, examine the answer. Check to see if the answer makes sense. Step 7, double-check the answer. Do the problem again to make sure the answer is correct. Remember, math is more than just getting the right answer. You need to understand logically what you're doing. If you know what you're doing, then you can apply your math skills to other unknown problems that require the same skill. In Unit 1 of Number Success Division, you'll be learning about dividing by 1 through 12's. Here are a few of the practical math problems you will see. You'll do division by calculating the cost of soft-shell crabs, how many rides one can get on a roller coaster with 36 tickets, the production of a folding machine, and many other interesting problems. Now open your workbook and get ready for this exciting trip of learning practical mathematics with your award-winning teacher, Larry Williams.